How to use Google AI Studio for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this guide, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Google AI Studio for beginners. So here, what you want to do is now Google AI Studio is a free online tool. It allows user to experiment with the advanced AI models like Gemini 2.0 Pro and Flash. No complex coding knowledge is needed. So all you need is access Google AI.studio.com. This is the link. Click onto the first one. Here you just want to review and accept the terms of service on the first login, and the dashboard has a slide bar for navigating and playground to test prompt as well. So basically you could find a lot of options, like you could scroll down and go to the home page where you could find a lot of options like chat, build, and all that stuff. You could then go ahead and explore one of these options, and accordingly you have to describe your prompt or the idea in a simple English. And once the app actually understands it, and it's going to start generating your project. So you have to do the same thing with the rest of the other chat field as well. And basically you just have to go ahead and explore. You could find a lot of options as well. So with that, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.